Hello and welcome to Mind Vomit. And in this video I have Manfred von Rijn getting in the way again as usual. Welcome to part 2 of my vision board slash collage art project. In this video I decided to try to lay out some graffiti letters, and I am no graffiti professional, but I try to lay out some graffiti letters and the word says heal. The reason it says heal is because I have complex PTSD, I've mentioned it before, and there's been a long road of healing that's been happening, and there's a lot that has to go. I keep working through this and it takes a lot of conscious thought and it's a lot of hard work, and so I wanted to make the word heal the centerpiece of this because I want to remind myself that I need to keep progressing, I need to keep moving forward to get better. So in this video I kind of lay out the letters heal and I try to work through some of the graffiti letters. The first couple designs I really didn't care for that much, but I nailed the design that I liked and I edited it in Photoshop. I'm not real good with Photoshop. I know Adobe Illustrator much better. Just kind of tweaked it a little bit, kind of got my colors figured out of what I want to kind of paint. And then I think the next video I will actually paint this on the canvas, which will probably come out a little later. It's going to take a little time to get to that. I hope you enjoyed the video.